Alligator motorcycle. The Alligator is a feet-forwards motorcycle built by Gurney Alligator Motorcycle Company, which is the motorcycle division of the former driver/racing team owners All-American Racers Workshop in Santa Ana, California. Although not the first of such design, it is unique for its unconventional low-slung seating position, which allows for its low center of gravity. History. The bike design traces itself back to the pioneering era when Gottlieb Daimler designed a similar prototype in 1886. Since then, the conventional seating position has been used on all bikes with the exception of the few bikes like the commercially successful Car and unsuccessful Quasar. The bike design was first instigated when Gurney took a 1976 Honda XL350 as a base to develop the first design evolution known as the A1 aka Grandpa Gator, and was completed in 1980. The bike was named after the reptile of the same name due to the bike's long, low appearance and was also chosen to reflect the North American nature of the species. After several years of R&D, with 89 different riders consisting of professional motorcycle and car racers, prominent bike enthusiasts, engineers, journalists, and regular Sunday riders to help develop the bikes through test rides along with Gurney's busy schedule running a team, 6 different prototype configurations all have logged thousands of miles before Gurney and his team decided on a 6th evolution, the A6, with full fairing to be launched in 2002 with an The bike is then made available to consumers for $35,000, considering its price, beside its rare nature of the bike with a carbon fiber body over a chromoly frame powered by a 70-horsepower 52 kW single-cylinder Honda XR650 engine, bored out to 700 tank, which is capable of 140 mph 230 km/h and 0-60 mph in 3.1 seconds. The weight of the Alligator is 300 quintils. In 2002, AAR announced plans to build an updated version of the Alligator called the Instigator, which was to be powered by a 1820S and SV twin engine, but production never began.